Are you a small business owner? Then this video is for you. In today's video, we will talk about the 5 must-have digital presence for small business. The first thing you must have is a Google business profile. It is very easy to create Google business profile with your logo and your information about your business and location. You can easily set up this profile on Google, and that will give you a lot of leads and listings. So whenever someone search for your company on Google, and if you have an active Google business profile, it will pop up at the very first page of the search if they search with your specific name of your organization. So it is a must-have presence to begin with, to have an active Google business profile. You can put different contents in there, like the type of services you provide or the type of product you work with. You can also put updates and status on there, so that people who are looking for this type of products and service will easily find your Google business profile. And from the Google business profile, you can drive this traffic to your website, get phone calls, or even drive them to your social media. So this is a must-have presence for small business to have a Google business profile. The second thing is you must have is an active website. Whatever service you are providing or whatever product you're working with, and website it will always be useful for your business. So if you already have a website, that's great. Try to be active on that website. If you do not have a website yet, try to create a website, make it simple so that people can search for you and have information about you. If you want to make this website a different channel for your sales, then it's a different discussion. You can do that as well, or at least you can have a website that has information about your business, what type of service and product you're working with, where is your office and where is your store, and how they can communicate and connect with you. You can also use this website to create regular contents. You can put up blogs, write put up newsletters, and have forums that people can subscribe to and get contents from you. This will give you organic traffic that can easily turn into a prospect or lead for your business. The next thing you should have is a relevant social media. If you're running a business of a product or a service, you must have relevant social medias active and present. If Facebook is the place where your audience is, be there. If it is Instagram, be there. If it is TikTok, or it is like LinkedIn, whatever social media it is, be there. Try to be there where the eyeballs are. Look at your audience, where they're spending most of their time, and be present in that social media. If it is a new social media for you, try to get out of your comfort zone and open your social media presence over there. It will help you in the long run. The next thing you should have is your presence of your brand, of your organization, and your name in different online newspaper. You can have paid PR, or you can get covered in different newspapers, of local newspapers, that can talk about the journey that you have been through, or talk about your initiative or the product or the service or the market you're catering to. And if you have a presence on online newspaper, it will be helpful for your business. It will help you to get leads, and if you can link this online newspaper with your website, then this will be a very powerful backlink for your website as well. So keep that in mind as well. The next thing that you can do is get enlisted in different marketplaces, right? It might not be relevant for every type of business or product or service, but if you are working with a product that has a different marketplace, or where people can buy and have multi-vendor marketplace presence, you can be a part of it as well. It can give you a different and new channel of sales where you can sell your product and get a good amount of money from it as well. So be in the lookout to have and be active in different marketplaces where your product or your service is relevant. And last but not least, what you need to do is get started as soon as possible. That's the must-have thing you have to do. That you just can't plan and you don't execute, that it will not give you any result. So whatever topics we shared whatever suggestion we shared with you, try to do this immediately and be active on these social media platforms. Open up a business profile, get your website ready, and get attention of the local newspaper. Hopefully this will help you to have a good online presence of your small business. Thank you so much for watching the video. This is Nafis Kausar. If you want to see more contents like this on Facebook marketing, on digital marketing, on personal brand building and organic growth, stay connected with my page and follow my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.